Before you decide to trade or invest by subscribing to any of our tools, system, methods, posts, or commentary, please read this disclaimer document carefully. Please go to our website visualdecisions.in and read the disclaimer and terms and condition documents available there at the bottom of all pages in footer. In geometry, it is important to understand the role of support and resistances within the swing. These support and resistances can be called as pivots. I'll show you these on chart. So you can see the green horizontal line over here, the green over here. These are pivot highs or resistances. And you can also see the red horizontal line over here. These are pivot lows or supports. Not all the geometric tools that we have requires these lines to be plotted. So please note that some of the geometric tools will have these lines and not all of the geometric tools. Now, what is a swing under analysis? You have to first understand that. As explained earlier, this is a swing low. So we are starting from a swing low. This is a swing. So we are going to a swing high from a swing low. And this is a swing high. So we are going from a swing low to a swing high. We are starting from a swing low and ending at this swing high. This start and end is very important to understand. So our analysis, where we use these horizontal pivots, will start only after the end of the swing. So for example, here we are going from a swing low to a swing high. So the analysis, the end of the swing is where the analysis will start. So you will see these vertical lines after the end of the swing and not before the end of the swing. That you have to note down. So in this example, we are going from a swing low to a swing high. We are analyzing this swing. So all the calculations will start after the end of the swing, which is the swing high in this case. Please remember this. So the theory behind the concept is that if you draw a horizontal line from these pivot points, wherever these lines hit the angles, you will get a vertical timing line, and at that point or at that time there is a high probability of a trend change. So I'll tell you on the chart what I am trying to say. For example, this is a pivot high. So wherever this line drawn from the pivot high will hit the angle, from there you have to draw a vertical line, and that will be a timing line or a timing tool for you. So all these vertical lines originating from the intersection after the swing end will be the timing line or the trend change time. Now there is one more thing that you need to understand with respect of the support and resistances line or the pivot lines. This you will see under the, let me remove all these things from here. This you will see under the setting of the indicator. In the indicator setting, if you see this entry, number of bars for pivot, this means that the tool will be drawing pivot lines. If this is not there, then that tool does not need pivot lines. So here it is set to 10. I'll show what will happen if I reduce it to 5, 6, 7 or 8. So what will happen is that as you reduce the number of pivot lines will increase. I'll show you how. Right now you can see there are three red lines, that is 3 pivot lows, and 2 green lines, that is 2 pivot highs. So I'll reduce it to 7. Now you can see the number of lines have increased. So what the tool or the script has done, it has plotted more support and resistances than the earlier one. But I'll advise you to keep it at a reasonable level. But otherwise what will happen is that you will get too many pivot lines and that will clutter the chart. Too many lines are also not good for you. So keep it at optimum. So I'll keep it at 8. So this is looking good. So the vertical lines drawn from these intersection are the trend change time.